5 Best Multimeters 2018. Here is the product number 5. Neoteck Pocket Digital Multimeter. Overload protection. Use the PTC protection circuit for resistance, frequency measurement, double current fuses. High quality, more safety. Meet for Euro Standard. Safety class, INNOVA 1 Cat 2 600 volts. Make sound of continuity test more loudly. Here is the product number 4. Etekcity MSRC 600 Digital Clamp. Etekcity's digital clamp multimeter makes household electricity maintenance safe and simple. While having the capability to test AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity and diodes, the built-in clamp enables you to measure AC current without needing to break circuits to come into direct hazardous contact. Here is the product number 3. AstroAI Digital Multimeter with Ohm Volt. The AstroAI AM33D multimeter is designed to safely and accurately troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems. And NBSP, it's easy and safe to operate and features many different functions for measuring current, voltage, and resistance, as well as continuity, transistor, and diode testing, which is both for automotive and household uses. Here is the product number 2. Etekcity MSRR 500 Digital Multimeters. The Etekcity MSRR 500 Digital Multimeter is a practical tool for electricians, hobbyists, and general household use. It is easy to operate and features many different functions for measuring current, voltage, and resistance, as well as continuity, transistor, and diode testing. It can be used to diagnose, assemble, and repair circuitry and wiring. Here is the product number 1. INNOVA 3320 Auto Ranging. The INNOVA 3320 is an auto-ranging multimeter designed to safely and accurately troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems. Its auto-ranging scales eliminate the need to dial in the correct range when making electronic measurements. The 10 megohm input is safe for automotive and household uses, that is, household outlets, fuses. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.